what we have here? A giant coloring pages from Blues, Clues, and You.
Yeah,
These are giant pages.
actually
You
it
can
has
color with crayons.
or markers or any markers or any
Or
crayon.
whatever color you want. Let's open it. Let's see that giant pages.
Whoa! A giant pages. You have to the same thing there. Oh my god! This is a big color.
Yeah, this is blue in the house.
And there's pink and blue.
Wow, they are big.
Uh-huh.
They are not kidding, they are giant pages.
Yeah. There's blue.
Is there blue?
Blue. There's blue out. He's outside in blue. Yeah.
Mm.
There's lots of pages.
Yes, what do you want? We're gonna color one because there are too much.
I want to color this page.
This
This
one?
page. Yeah.
Wow, this is
This
cool.
page. I got it. Let's go. We have to show it.
Okay.
Pink.
We're gonna start coloring blue. Blue, like they say, is blue.
It's blue, it's blue. Pink. I'll be careful with the spots.
Yeah,
Be
do
careful.
your best, do your best.
Yeah, but be careful with the spots. It will be dark. Pink.
And whatever color you like is fine because it's your picture, it's your coloring.
Yeah, it can be light, like this pink, and the spots will be any color, or dark pink, like same as ours.
Whatever color you like,
Yeah.
it's your art,
Yeah, it's
it's your picture.
I gotta be the same color it is. I have to be careful with the spots. The spoot has spots in the spot. So you have to be careful. If you color spot, that's okay. Just do your best. If you made a mistake, if you color the glasses pink, that's okay. The glasses will be purple. I'm making upside down. Jackson gave me a. We do it
Your brother tried to help you, it's okay.
If your baby brother trying to help you, that's okay. This is a big, big, big page. It's so large and they got to take a long time ago. A long time.
You okay?
Because my hand is tired.
You need help?
Yeah, because the dots on it. Because this is going to take a long time ago. I need your help with the dots. So I'm going to color the pink color. And the mouth. Okay? The pink. I have to make that color with that. Okay. Go to it. Where's my other hand? Oh, it's still tired. Performing my hair here. It's okay if you color the light pink. Yeah. I'm gonna be purple and I'm gonna color purple. Because the glasses are purple. Look, see? The glasses are purple. So we're gonna hold pink to be green and color purple. Now you can see the glasses are purple. And this is kind of dark purple. But that's okay. If you make it darker, that's okay. You can put any color you want. But we're doing the same color.
I want to start color the tree.
Because the tree is green. And the apples are
Red. When I different color the apple, I green, I red,
or
pink, and orange.
maybe the same color. I got this one in there. And this one's kind of red. It's okay if you knock your shoulders. Be careful with the apples. For the sky blue.
Now you have to finish pink.
Had to finish pink. It's okay if you don't finish pink. Had to finish pink and then the skies. And if you finish that, you have to do the grass too. Because the grass is green. Or light green.
It can be
Light green or
light or
dark.
dark, whatever color you like.
Or really dark. Or I really like this pink. Look at this one. I finished pink. We finished pink. It take a lot of pink, not blue. I have to make the color brown, the wheel. We got the same brown. The wheel is dirty. But that's okay. If you make it brown, it will make it brown. There's a swing with the wheel. Now we gotta do the skies. Well, be careful with the clouds.
This is
I can put down.
very more light.
But that's okay. If you made a mistake, but that's okay.
I'm just crazy.
Tracy. It's okay. Be gentle. If you're crazy, this is so lighter.
You can raise it one.
I'm gonna
No, don't do it too fast or you will not tire.
so slow. If you go faster, you will be tired again. Another whole blue in there. Actually, you can see there's a Gabby Gabby crayon.
From the Gabby Gabby book.
Uh-huh. We got that, but that's somewhere else. It's okay if it's like glider like these ones. It can be black or any color you want. I'm gonna color orange.
Finish it. Finish it.
It's done.
It's done. It looks so beautiful. Good job, Pinky Leah. That's all, friends. Hope you like this video. The Pinky Leah color.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
The giant pages of blue.
Yeah.
And this one was pink. Hope you like it.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
See you in the next video.